This is going to be a short video of my 1966 Cessna 172G that I have for sale. Like I said, it's a 1966 model. It's got a heated pitot tube. All three tires are in pretty good shape. The paintwork was touched up by the previous owner, as well as the vinyl graphics. I also have a full set of matching painted wheel pants that are two-tone as well, that will go with the sail. All the exterior lighting works fine. It's got position lights and a strobe under the belly. Current weight and balance, this plane's got about a 900-pound gross weight carrying ability. I've put just over 100 hours on it in the last 2 years. It has a Continental 145. The work that's been done to this recently has been magnetos and wiring harness, vacuum pump, and the left-hand exhaust. Also has a Zeftronics digital voltage regulator that was put on about a year ago. But good running motor. I've never had really any problems with it, other than since I've owned it, the exhaust and the vacuum pump. It does have the auto gas STC. Has the gas strut door stewards on it to hold the doors open. The interior was also redone by the previous owner, and it's in very good shape. It's got the seats with the embroidered 172 logo on the back. The door panels were done. It's got a headliner that's been replaced. The back seats are in really good shape. Carpet's in good shape. In the cockpit itself, everything works as it should. It has a nav radio in here, but the indicator wasn't working, so that's been removed and taken care of in the logbook and covered up here in the instrument panel. But the gyro instruments, they work fine. The last annual here, they switched out the mixture cable and mixture control, so it's the more modern style. This particular gear has 40-degree flaps that some people find desirable, and they're electric. We've got a PM1000 intercom. There you can see the tack hours and the ELT control. The radios, and then in the center section here is installed a Lowrance AirMap 2000 VFR, basically portable GPS that's been hardwired in. Has batteries for backup. It's got the more modern control yoke configuration, and I've got the original loop style control yokes that come with the plane. At the last annual, there was also had the fuel selector rebuilt, so that's all been done and taken care of. It's set up with an extra antenna cable, so you can hook a portable radio in as a backup if the main one were to fail. There's 2 comm antennas currently on the plane. The intercom is 4-place, so we've got 2 sets of jacks in the front for the pilot and co-pilot, and then in the rear panel here you can see there's 2 sets of jacks for passengers in the rear seat, and all those work fine. The glass, there's no crack in any of the glass. The windshield was actually replaced not that long ago. It was by a previous owner, but it is in really good shape. But for me, it's been a very good airplane. Just looking to get something different, and hopefully I can get it sold to a new owner that can be as happy with it as I've been.